Good day, everyone.
I am Mark Leonard Aguila.
And I'm John Robert Gilas. We are going to present our reporting
on Region
13 Caraga Region.
Used to take it slow. Now I feel the air and take the long way home. This place is all I've ever known. No longer scared of the open road. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. Just wasting time, pretending everything was fine. I'll move along and leave it all behind. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. You're missing, yeah, just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. You can find what you're missing, yeah, just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. Tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything.
3, 2, 1.
Let's take on our fears from the start.
Introduction. Ang Caraga ay opisyal na itinalaga bilang Rehiyon 13 ay administratibong rehiyon sa Pilipinas. At sinasabi din dito na ang Caraga ay highly urbanized city and boasts of its rich cultural heritage and numerous nature attractions. So, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng urbanized? Ito ay ang marami ng kabahayan, offices, at mga factories at mga tao. At sinasabi rin dito na ang Caraga ay mayaman sa cultural heritage. At ang cultural heritage ay ang culture of a particular society such as traditions, languages, or buildings na gawa pa noong sinauna na siyang dinarayo ng mga turista. Fast facts. Ang fast facts ay mayroong provinces and cities, population, area, timberland, and A&D. Ano nga ba ang timberland? Ang timberland, ito ang mga lupa na sinasakop ng mga kagubatan. Agusan del Norte. Meron siyang populasyon na 327,000. Meron siyang area na 189,127. At meron siyang timberland na 150,176. And A&D na 38,951. Butuan City. Meron siyang populasyon na 298,378. Meron siyang area na 66,793. Meron siyang timberland na 31,983. A&D 34,810. Kabadbaran City. Meron siyang populasyon na 61,564. Area na 32,518. Timberland na 22,145. A&D na 10,373. Agusan del Sur. Meron siyang populasyon na 609,447 at area na 718,289. Timberland na 527,464. A&D na 190,825. Bayugan City. Meron siyang populasyon na 95,032 at area na 111,430. Timberland na 86,212. A&D na 25,218. Surigao del Norte 409,468. Area na 175,593. Timberland na 94,507. A&D na 81,086. Surigao City. Meron siyang populasyon na 132,151 at area na 26,117 at timberland na 11,234. A&D 14,883. Surigao del Sur. Meron siyang populasyon na 541,347. Area na 447,913 at timberland na 304,256 at A&D na 143,657. Tandag City, meron siyang populasyon na 50,459 at area na 23,593. Timberland na 17,691. A&D 5,902. Bislig City, meron siyang populasyon na 102,009 at area na 42,264. Timberland na 23,279 at A&D na 18,985. Dinagat Islands, meron siyang populasyon na 120,813. 80,000 at meron siyang area na 80,205 at timberland na 62,544 at A&D na 17,664.
Ports of access by air transportation: Surigao Airport, Sayak Airport, Tandag Airport, Bancasi Airport, Bislig Airport. By water transportation: Manila to Surigao, Cebu to Surigao. And by land transportation: Manila to Surigao via Roro. Ports of access: Siargao ay mabilis nang naging paboritong destinasyon ng mga banyagang at lokal na turista. Kaya naman, kailangang bigyang prioridad ang pagpapalawak ng paliparan. Gayunpaman, maraming mga daan papasok sa mga lalawigan ng rehiyon ng Caraga dahil maraming mga paliparan at pantalan na may mga roro, pati na rin ang malawak na network. Sa pamamagitan ng eroplano, araw-araw na naglalakbay ang Philippine Airlines at Cebu Pacific papuntang Caraga Region via Butuan at Siargao City. May mga diretsong flights mula Manila patungo sa Siargao, pati na rin mula sa Cebu patungo sa Surigao. Mayroon ding direktang flights mula sa Manila at Cebu papuntang Sayak Airport sa Del Carmen, Siargao Island. Sa pamamagitan ng dagat, nag-aalok ang WGNA at Sulpicio Lines ng direktang biyahe mula Manila patungong Siargao. Maaari rin magsimula ang mga bisita mula sa Cebu gamit ang lokalyong shipping lines at Cebu Paris. Sa pamamagitan ng lupa, may mga bus na biyahe papuntang Mindanao na may roro mula Manila patungong Surigao City bilang pintuan. Agusan del Norte is a province located in the Caraga region of Mindanao, Philippines. It's known for its natural beauty, including rivers, forests, and waterfalls. It's also home to diverse indigenous amenities and offers opportunities for ecotourism and outdoor adventures. Agusan del Sur is another province in the Caraga region of Mindanao, Philippines. Like Agusan del Norte, it boasts stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, rivers, and forests. It's also known for its rich cultural heritage and traditions, as well as agricultural activities such as rice and corn farming. The province is a hub for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Surigao del Norte. Surigao del Norte is a province located in the Caraga region of the Philippines. It comprises several islands, including Siargao, famous for its beautiful beaches and surfing spots. The province is also known for its diverse marine life, making it a popular destination for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Additionally, it has historical sites, cultural festivals, and scenic landscapes, making it a well-rounded destination for travelers. Surigao del Sur is a province in the Caraga region of the Philippines. It's known for its stunning natural attractions, including Tinuyan Falls, often dubbed the Niagara Falls of the Philippines. The province also offers pristine beaches, lush forests, and diverse wildlife, making it a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Additionally, it has cultural sites and festivals that showcase the rich heritage of its indigenous communities.
Festivals in Agusan del Norte. Araw ng Agusan del Norte, June 12 to June 17. Ito ay ang celebration of the founding anniversary of Agusan del Norte. Kahimuyan Festival, 3rd Sunday of January. Honor of Señor Santo Niño. Balangay Festival, May. Month-long celebration of Butuan City. Festivals in Agusan del Sur. Naligayan Festival, June 12 to June 18. Founding Anniversary of Agusan del Sur. Kaamulan Festival, September 23. Thanksgiving Festival for a bountiful harvest. Angot Festival, September 28. In honor of Saint Michael the Archangel, patron of Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. Dinagat Islands. Bungkosan sa Isla Festival, first week of December. A festival that showcases the various cultures of Dinagat Islands. Sirong-Sirong Festival, June 28 to June 29, in honor of Saint Peter and Paul. Lawigan Festival, May 14 to May 15, celebrates the founding anniversary of the municipality of Loreto. Food and delicacies sa Caraga region. Una, Agusan del Norte. Binaga. Ang binaga ay roasted chicken. Number 2, nilusak or nilupak. Ito yung para siyang halaya. Nilambiran. Itong nilambiran is suman siya, suman. Palagsing. Itong palagsing ay uri din siya ng suman na gawa sa unaw or sago starch na mayroong coconut milk. Agusan del Sur. Ang food and delicacy sa Agusan del Sur ay more on siya sa seafoods tulad ng crabs, prawns, dried dalag. Itong dried dalag is tinapa ng mga maliliit na isda, parang sapsap gano'n. And tamilok. Itong tamilok ay Para siyang woodworm, ganon, na nakukuha sa mga patay na kahoy sa mga katubigan. And daing. Ayun na nga. Next is Dinagat Islands. Balut, cassava, sisling gambas, and seafoods. At etong sisling gambas ay ang main ingredient niya is mga hipon, mga prawns, ganon, na nilagay siya sa sizzling plate.
Food and delicacies. Surigao del Norte offers a delightful culinary journey with dishes like adobong sahang, tayong song, put ginamos, and kinilaw. Don't miss out on giga kit rum and the savory goodness of dried pingana. And if you're up for some adventure, give Harog a try. And para naman sa Surigao del Sur, also boasts some delicious culinary offerings including put ginamos, kinilaw, tayong song, gigagit rum, and dried pigana. These dishes and beverage are sure to tantalize your taste buds and give you taste regions rich flavors. Para naman sa festivals, Surigao del Norte Bonok-Bonok Festival September 9 to 10, Pasayan Festival September 10, Paskuhan December 1 to 24, and Surigao del Sur Kaliguan Festival June 21 to 25, Pahinungod Festival July 15. Surigao del Norte and Surigao del Sur seem to have vibrant festival scenes. The Bonok-Bonok and Pasayan Festival in Surigao del Norte and the Kaliguan and Pahingod festivals in Surigao del Sur must be incredible celebration and culture and tradition. Agusan del Norte, mga matatagpuang historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Una, Magellan Marker. Pangalawa, Centennial Bitaug Tree. Pangatlo, Kabadbaran Ancestral Houses. Pang-apat, Our Lady of Assumption Church. Panglima, Kabadbaran Museum. At pang-anim, Balangay Shrine Museum. At para naman sa mga matatagpuang natural attraction. Una, Lake Mainit. Pangalawa, Kalinawan River. Pangatlo, Mount Hilong. Pang-apat, Kayagan Fish Sanctuary. Panglima, Humilog Caves. Pang-anim, Tagnut Falls. Pang-pito, Vega Falls. Pang-walo, Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. Pang-siyam, Mount Magdiwata. Pang-sampo, Lake Himbang. At pang-12, Ognop Cave. At para naman sa mga built attraction na matatagpuan sa Agusan del Norte. Una, Diosdado Macapagal Suspension Bridge. Pangalawa, Banza Church Ruins. Pangatlo, Nipa Wine Distillery. 4, Bunawan Eco Park. Panglima, Provincial Government Center. Pang-anim, Bayugan Rotunda. Pang-pito, Green Haven Adventure Farm. Pang-walo, Lake Mambangongon Bird Sanctuary. Pang-siyam, White Castle. Agusan del Sur, mga matatagpuang natural attraction. Una, Vega Falls. Pangalawa, Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. Pangatlo, Mount Magdiwata. Pang-apat, Lake Himbang. Cave. Pang-anim, Lake Mambangongon Bird Sanctuary. At para naman sa data attraction na matatagpuan sa Agusan del Sur. Una, Bunawan Eco Park. Pangalawa, Provincial Government Center. Pangatlo, Bayugan Rotunda. Pang-apat, Green Haven Adventure Farm. Surigao del Norte, mga matatagpuang historical, cultural, and Heritage Attraction. Una, Dayasan Floating Village. At para naman sa matatagpuan sa natural attraction, Siargao Island. Pangalawa, Bukas Grande Island. Pangatlo, Mabua Pebble Beach. Pang-apat, Silop Multi Caves. Pang-lima, Lumondo Waterfalls and Eco Park. Pang-anim, Mapungpungko Rock Formation. Pang-pito, Basto Island. At para naman sa built attraction na matatagpuan sa Surigao del Norte, una, San Pedro Cantiasay. Pangalawa, Footbridge. Pangatlo, Luneta Park. Surigao del Sur, mga matatagpuang historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Una, Ancestral House. At para naman sa natural attraction na matatagpuan sa Surigao del Sur, una, Kagwait White Beach. 2, pangalawa, Tinuyan Falls. Pangatlo, Britannia Group of Islets. Pang-apat, Enchanted River. At sa built attraction naman, International Doll House. Panguna. Tsaka pangalawa, Forester Park. And lastly, language and dialects. May mga language and dialects. Ito ay Surigao-non, Cebuano, Butaonon, Manobo, Visayan, English, and others are the language used in the region.